Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on length. Length is about measuring a distance. We can talk about the length of a piece of timber. For a given backyard, the length of a pool is very important. For example, a backyard is normally fixed, so you have to be careful. Before you build the pool, you must measure what length will comfortably fit in the backyard. Informal units. In Year 1, students can start off by measuring objects with such things as shoes, handspans, paddle pop sticks, string, books, paper clips, finger length, etc. Some of the common words that are used in measuring are long, tall, short, longer, taller, shorter, far, near, close, measure, distance, wide, narrow, and there are many others, and I'm sure you can think of them. What do some informal units look like? So these are the things we can use when we're doing our measuring. So we have the shoe, the handspan, the string, the book, the paper clip, the finger length, and the paddle pop stick. So they're basically some of the things we can use. So now we have a little exercise to do. For each of the following objects, two informal units of measurement are listed. Underline which of the two informal units is the more suitable for measuring the given object. Now here is the object, the pencil. Now if we want to do some measurement of this pencil, now we roughly know the length of a pencil just in our mind. Is the paddle pop stick more suitable or the paper clip? Well, I think the paper clip would be more suitable because it's very small and it might take 3 or 4 paper clips to give you one length of a pencil. So that would be quite suitable to work out how many paper clips make up one pencil. If you wanted to measure the length of the classroom, what would you use? Well, if you use the handspan, that might take you quite a long time to do it. But because the length of a classroom is quite long, you might use a string to do it. The desk. So how would you measure the length of a desk, for example? You could use a finger length or a book. Probably a book would be easier. Now, you can use either of those three there. You can use the paddle pop stick for the pencil, because they might be the same length. You can use the handspan to measure the classroom, but it would take you much longer. And you could use the finger length to measure the desk also. But in my opinion, those three there are the more suitable. But if you picked any of those ones there, that would be quite okay because they can be used. Underline the longer object from the pair of objects mentioned. So which is the longer for each given pair, the fingernail or the arm? I'm sure you know it's the arm. What about the paper clip? Which is longer? Definitely the shoe. What about a swimming pool and a desk? I think the pool would be. What about a small car or a truck? That's probably longer. What about a tree or a pot plant? I think that would be longer or taller. Underline the shorter object from the pair of objects named. So which one do you think is the shorter one? A banana or a school bag? Now if that's a normal sized school bag and that's a normal sized banana, I think that would be shorter. Suitcase or a pencil case? I'm sure you know that that one there We're looking for the shorter, so the pencil case is definitely shorter. The guitar or the piano. Piano's quite large, isn't it? So that would be shorter. A cat or an elephant. That is definitely shorter. And a dog or an ant. And that's definitely shorter. So this video has given us a basic introduction to length, and we've looked at some examples and we've compared some lengths.